Welcome to this video on mindful eating. In today's fast-paced world, it can be easy to eat mindlessly, consuming food without paying attention to what or how much we are eating. This can lead to overeating, weight gain, and other health issues. Mindful eating is a practice that can help us become more aware of our food choices and eating habits, leading to a healthier relationship with food and our bodies. So, what is mindful eating? Simply put, it is the practice of paying attention to your food, your body, and your thoughts and emotions related to eating. Mindful eating involves being present in the moment, savoring each bite, and tuning into your body's hunger and fullness signals. It is not about restricting or depriving yourself of certain foods, but rather about cultivating a positive relationship with food and your body. Here are some tips for practicing mindful eating. Slow down and savor your food. Take the time to chew your food slowly and enjoy the flavors and textures. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and stop eating when you feel satisfied, not stuffed. Eliminate distractions. Turn off the TV, put down your phone, and focus on your food and the act of eating. Practice gratitude. Take a moment to appreciate the food on your plate and the effort that went into preparing it. Be non-judgmental. Don't criticize or judge yourself for what you are eating. Instead, focus on the experience of eating and how it makes you feel. By practicing mindful eating, you can learn to enjoy your food more fully, avoid overeating, and develop a healthier relationship with food and your body. That's it for today's video on mindful eating. Remember, it's not about perfection, but rather about progress. Start by incorporating one or two of these tips into your eating habits, and see how it feels. With time and practice, you can cultivate a more mindful approach to eating and reap the many benefits for your health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on health and wellness.